Good afternoon, students. You've almost made it through your first day of school. I'm very sorry that I'm not there today. I'm actually down at the middle school right now, teaching down there. I asked you to please do your best today and learn as much as you can, even though I'm not there. These will be your tasks for today. This is what we would normally do on our first day of school, so just pretend like I'm there, I guess. And hopefully everything will work out. So this is your task for the first day of school. You'll start here at the top, work your way down. This is called game explanation. This is kind of just the first day school activity we do. Just open the instruction link. Here I have 5 games that you can choose from. Should be unblocked, hopefully. Anyway, they're just Google games, Snake game. I'm sure some of you guys have played this game before. Just pick a game, just play it for a few minutes. Emphasis on the few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and then you're going to try to do your best to explain the game in what's like code language. Okay, so like if I was playing Mario, this is what I do. You press the up arrow to jump to move the character up. You press the left arrow to go left, right arrow to go right. The character doesn't move unless the button is pressed. There are enemy characters that will automatically attack. Okay, so you're writing out the code. Okay, so this is the code that's built into the game. Okay, so as you're playing these games, have fun and win the game, of course, but think about what is happening behind the scenes. What's causing the game to work? What happens when you click? What happens when you press arrows? The settings. Just write out 5 sentences in 4 sentences. In 5 sentences, like the example below. Okay, so just write out 5 sentences just like this, and then you'll do that 2 different games. Okay, so after you do, choose Snake game, play it for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you'll write out 5 sentences like this. Inside right here, you click reply. This is where you'll type your sentences. Okay, and then after you hit post reply, then you'll be able to see other students and see how they explain their game. Maybe they did it better, maybe they didn't do as good as you. Just go through and read other people, and then go choose a different game, and then you'll just do the same thing twice. Okay, after you finish with that, then you'll go down just the next task right here. The next one's vision board. A lot of you have been in my class before, so you'll know what we're doing. I ask you to please help those that haven't been in my class before. It's pretty simple. I got a lot of step-by-step instructions and videos. If you already have a vision board, you'll scroll down to the blue instructions. Follow through those right there. If you haven't made a vision board yet, you'll go down to these green instructions. Okay. Here's also getting started in video. If you need a little bit more step-by-step and visual audio instructions, feel free to watch that. But basically what you're doing is you're just making a vision board. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals for the future. Okay, so this is my vision board. I try to look at it often so I can stay focused on my goals and plan towards the future. And notice my language. I am going to write a book. I am going to run a half marathon. I am going to write a song. Things like that. That's it. It gets your brain to really think about it. When you say it like that, I am going to do it. It just fills you with confidence, makes you focus on what you really want to get done in your life. I don't know how far you'll get. It's hard to gauge how long things will go without me being there. If you do get those 2 things done, there's this third activity. Kind of a backup plan just where you have something to do if you do still have time left over. You click on this link. This takes you to Shark Tank videos, and you can just watch those, and then you'll just you'll answer these 3 questions about it. Kind of the same discussion format for that. But class isn't too long, so hopefully that'll be enough learning for one day. Anyway, that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow, and have a great rest of your day.